Let's explore the biosensor data use case on IMERT's Ango Hub. On Ango, you can highlight the relevant entities to extract information. For each entity, you can assign additional classifications, such as dropdowns, checkboxes, multiple selections, free text boxes, and more. In this example, we are working with ECG, respiration, acceleration, and oxygen saturation data from a patient in text format. The first annotation highlighted a period of apnea in the chart. Here, the annotator identifies an abnormal acceleration pattern, which in this case indicates a fall. They annotate the details using the entity tool and the connected classifications. In this case, we use relevant dropdowns to capture additional data. You can then use the relations function on Ango to specify how different entities are connected. For example, the start and end times of an abnormal area can be annotated as shown in this example. Thank you for watching.